Checking for spark.
I can see spark.
On all of them? All right, let's see what it does. You ready?
Okay. Now you can choke it.
Ready?
You know, that plate could be causing it to work sometimes and not work other times.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
And it depends on the distributor. That top of the distributor in the housing, it just sits on it, and it's, you know, it's worn out. You know, the top plate's worn, you know, it's worn down. Well, you ready?
Boy.
All the spark plugs hooked up?
Go ahead. Try. Very, very weak spark.
This battery is not doing really well.
I mean, I don't think it's probably.
This cable's getting very hot. Yeah, by the time it has to run the starter, you know, your voltage is down to way down. We need to find your battery charger. I think I brought mine in my truck. You just put mine on here. Maybe we go eat lunch. Lunchtime. Okay, I took the distributor back out, went through it all, sanded all the grounding points on it, and pulled the condenser out, put a brand new one in. The other one, I tried to test it, but my test meter, I'm not sure. So I put the new condenser in, and I put a clear cap on so I could see what's going on. With 4 plugs out, I was able to crank it over and see pretty good spark on all 4 plugs. So I went ahead and put the plugs back in, and now I'm going to try to test start it. Can't remember where we're at with the carburetor. I think it's still leaking. Yeah, it's a Tillotson, and has a little bit of a leak to it, but we'll see what happens. I'll turn the gas on and see if it'll fire up. Seems to be getting spark, so it's hard for me to spray the carburetor by myself. I just feel a little steam. Got it going. Carburetor's still not right. At least it's running.